Namaskar everyone. Now today we'll start with the next topic of chapter 3rd, that is hidden goodwill. Now what do you mean by hidden goodwill? Sometimes the value of the goodwill is not given at the time of admission of new partner. In such a situation, it has to be inferred from the arrangement of the capital and profit sharing ratio. So that is called hidden goodwill. So hidden goodwill means the goodwill which is not given at the time of admission of new partner. Now, how you will calculate the goodwill? This is the most important thing because sometimes no information is given in the question. Either the new partner goodwill or the firm goodwill or the method of calculating goodwill. Nothing is given in the question. So how you will calculate the hidden goodwill? So here is the process of calculation of hidden goodwill. First of all, you have to calculate the firm capital. And how you calculate the firm capital? In point number first, you have to mention new partner capital into his reciprocal ratio. Now, new partner capital is okay, it is given in the question. His reciprocal ratio means that the reverse ratio of new partner. Suppose if the ratio of new partner is 1 by 5, then you have to reciprocate the ratio, that is 5 by 1. So you have to take the new partner capital as well as the reciprocal ratio of new partner. Then you will able to find out the firm capital. In second point, you have to calculate firm goodwill. For this purpose, you need two things: firm capital as well as the capital of all partners. Now, firm capital you have to calculate by point number first, and capital of partner is already given in the question. So out of the firm capital, you have to deduct the capital of all partners, including new partner. So this will be your firm goodwill, or we can say hidden goodwill. Now at the time of admission, you have to calculate the goodwill of new partner. So how you will calculate the goodwill of new partner? The firm goodwill we already calculated in point number second. So on firm goodwill, you have to calculate the new partner share. And new partner share, suppose 1/5 is there, then 1/5 of the firm goodwill will be the new partner goodwill. So this is the 3 step to calculate the hidden goodwill. First calculate firm capital, then out of firm capital, you have to deduct the capital of all partners, we can say after adjustments. Then it will be your firm goodwill or hidden goodwill. And out of the firm goodwill, you have to calculate the goodwill of new partner. So that is the new partner goodwill. Let's take one example in the next slide and discuss how to calculate the hidden goodwill or the goodwill brought in by the new partner. Now illustration there, Hemant and Nibu are partner in the ratio of 3:2. Their capital were 50,000 and 30,000. This is the capital of Hemant and Nibu. They admitted Samir on 1st January as new partner with 1/5 share in profit. Samir brought 40,000 as his capital. Calculate the value of the goodwill of the firm and record necessary journal entries on Samir's admission. So in this case, the old partner ratio, old partner capital, new partner ratio and new partner capital is given. And what you have to calculate? The goodwill of the firm, the goodwill of new partner and the general entry in case of Sam's admission, that is called Samir's admission. So here is the solution. As I already told you, first of all you have to calculate the total capital of new firm. So how you calculate? That is, you have to take new partner capital and his reciprocal ratio. So new partner capital is 40,000 and his ratio is 1 by 5. Then you have to reciprocate it, then it will be 5 by 1. So the firm capital is 2 lakh. Now out of the 2 lakh capital, you have to deduct the capital of all the 3 partners. That is Hemant, Nibu and Samir. So when you add up the capital of Hemant, Nibu and Samir, that is 50, 30 and 40. All 3 are given in the question. Then 120 is the capital of the all 3 partners. And we have already calculated the capital of the new firm, that is 2 lakh. So out of the capital of the firm, you have to deduct the capital of all the 3 partners, that is 2 lakh minus 1,20,000. So 80,000 is the goodwill of the firm. And if you calculate the goodwill brought in by the new partner, then out of you have to calculate the 1/5 of the 80,000. So that is 16,000 is the new partner goodwill. So three steps there. First calculate new capital. Then out of new capital you have to deduct the capital of all the three partner. Rest will be the firm goodwill, and out of firm goodwill you have to calculate the share of new partner, that is Sameer share. So Sameer's goodwill will be 16,000. Now come to the part of journal entries. Now in journal entries I took both the cases. If the goodwill brings by the new partner in cash or if does not bring in cash. Earlier I told you if bring in cash then you have to pass two journal entry. First to bring goodwill, and second distribution of goodwill in old partners in sacrifice ratio. So what is your first entry? Then cash and bank account debit to Sameer's capital account to premium for goodwill account. Now see the amount. The Sameer capital is 40,000, and in the previous slide we already calculate the goodwill brought in by the Sameer, that is 16,000. So first entry will be cash account debit 56,000 to Sameer capital 40,000 and his share of goodwill, that is premium for goodwill, that is 16,000. In second entry you have to distribute the goodwill in old partners in sacrifice ratio. So you have to debit premium for goodwill to Hemant capital account and to Nibu capital account, and 16,000 will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. And in this case number first is applicable for the calculation of sacrificing ratio. So as I already told you that sacrificing ratio will be the same as the old ratio. So 3:2 is your sacrificing ratio. So distribute 16,000 in 3:2 ratio. So this is when the new partner bring his share of goodwill in cash. If the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash, or in case of silent, you have to consider the second case. In this case, if the new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash, then you have to bring out that amount of goodwill or taken out that amount of goodwill from new partner's current account. So entry will be Sameer's current account debit to Hemant capital account to Nibu capital account, and 60,000 will be distributed in sacrificing ratio. So this is about how to calculate hidden goodwill, how to calculate the goodwill of new partner, and if it bring in cash then you have to pass the first two entries. If it does not bring in cash then you have to pass the second case and only one entry. And if nothing is given in the question regarding the bringing in cash or does not bringing in cash, so you have to consider that new partner does not bring his share of goodwill in cash. So this is all about hidden goodwill. Thank you so much.